Bed bugs spray. You always vacuum and you make sure your bed sheets are clean all the time, and at this point you are probably wondering why on earth you have bed bugs. If you travel a lot and buy used furniture and clothing, then you are pretty much a candidate for bug infestation. As soon as you find out that your room is indeed infested, the first thing that comes to mind is how to kill bed bugs. There are plenty of things you can do, but the first step would be to have a thorough knowledge about the cause and how to keep them at bay forever. One way on how to kill bed bugs is by making use of an insecticide spray. It works as a contact killer, and most of the sprays we have available in the market today are non-residual, which means they stop working after a few minutes or hours. You have to be careful when using insecticides. Read the label and directions. Unless the instructions tell you so, do not spray directly on your mattress, beddings, or linen. If you are not certain about this, you better call the manufacturer. Look for something that is approved by the EPA, and if possible look for a spray that's 100% non-toxic. Deltamethrin is one of the most popular and widely used bed bug insecticides today. It actually belongs to the class of pesticides known as pyrethroids. These are considered as contact and stomach poisons, which are lethal to most insects. The reason why deltamethrin is a favorite among homeowners is because it is odorless and it leaves no residue, which makes it safe in general. Again, read the product directions carefully on how to kill bed bugs. Aside from using spraying insecticide spray on the infested area, you can also dust some powder, and no, I'm not talking about a regular talcum powder here. Look for a powder that is specifically made to kill bed bugs.